breakfast meal prep video. We're gonna do meal prep for the kids right now. So I have Benjamin and Zachary are gonna help me out. They're super excited. We're gonna make crescent roll breakfast pinwheels with just regular crescent dough, eggs, ham, and cheese. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to make the bacon. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. So the boys are gonna help me out here. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Yeah! All right, so we'll get the bacon ready to cook it in the oven. I'm preheating it right now to 400 degrees. So we'll put it on its rack and put it in the oven. We'll show you how. All right, so we're going to cook our bacon first. We're going to cook it in the oven. Yep, in the oven on a wire rack on top of a baking sheet, and then have foil on the bottom to make cleanup super easy. All right. Okay, so do you want to put the bacon on the rack?
Yeah!
Right here. Okay.
Right here?
Yeah.
Me.
Your turn. Okay, put it on the rack. Perfect.
Another one for me.
Another one for you. Good job, Zachary. We can get a little bit closer. Okay, Zachary's turn.
Me.
Benjamin's turn. Gonna lay right here. Okay, one more for Zachary. All right, I'm gonna rearrange these a little bit. Okay, perfect. Good job, Zachary. Okay, we're gonna rearrange it a little bit right here. Yeah. All right, so our oven's ready. It's at 400 degrees. We're gonna put this in and cook it for about 15 minutes. All right. Okay, so the bacon is cooking in the oven, and now we're gonna make our scrambled eggs to go into our breakfast pinwheels. So I'm gonna crack 6 eggs. Crack one. Little crack. Oh gosh. That was messy. It's almost your turn, Zachary.
Oh.
Okay, Zachary, do you want to put the milk in the eggs?
Oh.
Pour it in. Like this.
In my bowl?
Good job, Zachary.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna whisk the eggs. All right, so now we'll take these over to the stove and we'll cook the scrambled eggs. Okay, so we're gonna make our scrambled eggs for the breakfast pinwheels. I'm gonna spray the pan with some nonstick spray. We'll put in our eggs, and then we'll let this cook for a couple minutes. The eggs won't take too long, but we'll stir them occasionally so they don't stick to the bottom. So our eggs are done. We're going to put them off to the side and wait for our bacon to be done. It's got a couple of minutes left.
Done.
And then once the bacon's done, we'll put them onto our Pillsbury sheets and we'll cook the pinwheels. Okay, so the bacon is done and it has cooled a little bit. I put it onto paper towels and dabbed the grease off. So now I'm going to cut it into pieces because it'll make it easier for our breakfast pinwheels. All right, so we're gonna use regular crescent rolls and we're gonna open the can. All right, so we're going to unroll the whole sheet of the crescent rolls.
The whole sheet of the crescent rolls?
Yes, and then we're gonna pinch the seams together a little bit. All right, Benjamin's helping press the seams together. Okay, so we're going to add a slice of cheese.
Now I'm gonna put it on.
Yep, put it on. Right there, perfect. Okay, your turn again. Perfect.
Your turn.
Okay, so now we're gonna sprinkle our bacon on.
Can I sprinkle some?
Yes, you sure
I want
can.
to dump it all.
You're gonna dump it all? Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna dump it, then we'll spread it around.
Where's this?
All right, we're gonna add our egg. Okay, so we're going to roll up our crescent rolls.
Yeah, crescent roll.
Yep, Benjamin's gonna help. Good job. We're gonna keep rolling. And we're gonna keep rolling. All right, perfect, bud. Okay, now we're gonna cut them.
Cut them, yeah, yeah. Crescent roll.
Okay.
Crescent roll.
All right, so now we're gonna transfer them onto our Pyrex baking sheet.
Bacon sheet? What is a bacon sheet?
Okay, so the crescent rolls are in. They're a little messy, but they're gonna be delicious. So we're gonna put them in the oven. We just use the regular cooking directions on the crescent roll packaging. So we have the oven at 375, and we're gonna cook them for about 9 to 11 minutes. Our breakfast meal prep for the kids is done for the week. We'll store these in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and then we'll heat them up in the morning, serve them with a side of fruit. So check the description box for the recipe for this. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think of this video, and click subscribe so that you don't miss all of our other videos that are going to be coming up. Check out our past videos as well, and thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
We'll see you next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye.